Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make delicious floppy pancakes the easy way. I have here 1 kilo of all-purpose flour. Place it in a mixing bowl. Add around 3 tablespoons of baking powder. You may add a teaspoon of yeast, but that's optional. Then add 1 sachet of milk powder. You may also add a pinch of food coloring powder if you like. Then add half cup of sugar. It's up to you. It's okay to have brown sugar or white sugar. Now mix these dry ingredients. Once they are mixed, let us add 2 eggs. And then at least a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then let's start mixing. Then we have to add also water. And then mix until everything is incorporated. Add more water when it is needed until you reach the desired consistency. Now this is the desired consistency of my pancake. I will let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes and then it's ready for cooking. It's time to cook now my pancake. I am using a non-stick pan and I'll just brush some oil. Here it is. When it's ready, you have to flip it so that you cook the other side. This homemade pancake is really delicious. You just have to continue the same process until you finish cooking. Here are my delicious pancakes. These are floppy and truly delicious. If you like, you may add a little butter or margarine and sugar. Thank you so much for watching.